All right, here's a good question. Yeah, again, you have to use the sum and difference of logs to figure this out. First thing I'd start with is this division symbol. So I'm dividing two things, this thing and this thing, and I'm taking the log of that quotient. So I can split it up and call it log base b of the first stuff, p squared q to the 6th, minus log base b of the second stuff, m to the 5th, b to the 9th. Now that minus there is a dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negative, so you have to be careful with that. And if it helps, you can just put this in brackets like that. Same thing with the first one. Okay, so I'm taking log base b of a product, p squared times q6. So I can call that log base b of p squared plus log base b of q to the 6th. Okay, minus log base b of m to the 5th plus log base b of b to the 9th. Okay, now the first ones I can just drop these brackets, but I'm also going to use that power rule to take the 2 out front. So it'll be log base b of p plus 6 log base b of q. Now over here, this negative has to apply to both things. So it'll be minus 5 log base b of m, and then it'll be minus 9 log base b of b. And log base b of b, that's that rule we saw in an earlier video. If these are the same, the answer to that whole thing is whatever that exponent is, which is 1. And 1 times 9 will just be 9. So your final answer will be this, minus 9.